Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about the free-to-fly remote-controlled stunt car. It's four-wheel drive and it's going to have rechargeable batteries. It's going to make 360 body rotations, and you're going to get your user manual here, and I'm going to show you a close-up in a minute. But inside the box you're going to get your stunt car. You're going to get your two rechargeable batteries that are going to go inside the car itself. Here's your remote control where you're going to use these buttons to make him do all the tricks. You got your screwdriver. Here's the batteries, 2 AA for the remote. And here's your USB cable that we'll use to charge up these rechargeable batteries that go in the car. So let's get it charged up and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so now when you get ready to charge things, there's going to be an on-off switch on the remote control and the car. You're going to want them in the off position. So you take your charging block with a USB cable here, or you can plug it into your laptop. And we're going to plug it in, and you can see that it's going to be charging. And then we're going to put, while that's charging, we're going to put the AA's into the remote and get that ready. And you've got a screwdriver that's handy that comes in the package. And you're also going to get a spare battery, which that's cool. You can keep that one charged up, so when you run this out of juice, you're ready to keep playing. So let's let these get charged up, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so the battery's charged up. We got it in here, and we're going to put the cover on it. Put the little screw in there. Got the batteries in the remote. And as you can see, when I'm going to flip the on switch, see that red button? It's going to let me know it's fixing to be working. So we're going to be letting this other one, the spare one, charge up. Okay, the battery's in. So I'm gonna flip the on switch. And look at, there you go. Look at his eyes light up. And you got. All right, everything's ready to go. So let's go take it outside and try it out. I mainly just want to show you the features, and then I'm gonna find a little boy that will know more about playing with this. But as you can see, the pretty bright blue. See how the wheels are going to turn, and the body and the wheels are soft, so like shock absorbers, they're just going to bounce off and go crazy. And when you turn it on, you'll have the lights on here and your remote, and you just drive it like joysticks and all. So let's go find us a little boy and look at this up close. That is really awesome. So let's go have some fun. Pretty cool, huh?